how to add crypto to Tangem Wallet. Now, if you want to basically buy, sell, or receive crypto in Tangem Wallet, you first have to add the token of the crypto to your home screen in Tangem Wallet. Now, to do that, first of all, launch the Tangem Wallet app, then log in, then just tap on the three dots icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three dots icon there, you will see this type of option. Over here, you simply have to select the wallet that you wish to add it from. Then once you've done that, just go to the option that says manage tokens. Once you go to manage tokens, here you will see a list of cryptocurrency. So depending upon which crypto you want to add to your home screen, simply select that cryptocurrency, and depending on what it is, then you also want to turn on, you'll see a list of networks, by the way. So you want to turn on the toggle next to that network, then tap on the save option from the bottom. After you've done that, you might also need to scan it for the final confirmation. Then that token or that crypto will be successfully added on your Tangem Wallet, and this way you will be able to add crypto to Tangem Wallet. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.